Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we have more packages. So we need to open those packages.
Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Okay, so today a lot of these boxes have perishable written on them, so we need to get to them right away. Alright, the first box that I am looking forward to, look at this one, pretty heavy. It says Nugs. You guys heard of Nugs before? I have. I can't wait to get in there. Okay, so the first thing it says, don't be chicken. Don't be chicken. Welcome to the simulation, Nugs. To complete your installation, put your Nugs in the freezer. You can feel all the cold air coming out of here. We have some dry ice and a box of Nugs. Now I heard about these last year, but I've never tried them before. These are vegan chicken nuggets. It's very simple. It says Nugs on it, and the back has made with ingredients. It's basically pea protein, cornstarch, pea starch, and it even says, warning, the designer of this box ran out of ideas for what to write in this section. So it's a very, very simple box. I like it. What do you guys think? Should we do a taste test video with these? It's 1 pound of nuggets. But I'm excited to try these out. Nugs. I don't know where they sell these or even if they're in the store yet, but I will look into that and I'll put a link below for you guys. Alright, next package. I guess we'll just do this one right here, right in front of us. Ta-da! Revolution Gelato. So this is dairy-free Revolution Gelato, full throttle vanilla. We have a vanilla one. It's coconut cream, cane sugar, cashews, natural vanilla flavor, and some other things. Cardamom spice. Darkest chocolate. I think that'll probably be my favorite. I always say chocolate will be my favorite, but then I'm surprised. And then the last one is orange cream. Now that's a summer flavor. They're all summer flavors, aren't they? So far we got the Nugs and the Revolution Gelato. Let's do this one right here. Ta-da! Annie brand footwear. These are the shoes that I'm always shouting out to you guys. It's an all vegan shoe company, Annie brand. They are what I wear. Right now I'm wearing the low tops. They also have high tops and slip-ons. My slip-ons have seen better days. I've been wearing them for 3 years now and I needed a new pair. So I think these are a new pair of slip-ons. Look at that. Look at those. These are amazing shoes and I love that the whole company is vegan. They're very lightweight. They fit nicely to your foot. They're comfortable. You can use coupon code ZOMBIEKICKS and $5 will be donated to Mercy for Animals. So you get an amazing pair of shoes and the animals get a little bit of a donation there as well. So there you go, Annie brand footwear. I'll just put that right there. Brand new shoe, has not touched ground yet. We will change that. Next package. This one is heavy. Pups in the other room sleeping. It's a hot day today. I haven't said that in a while. I think this is the flux capacitor. There's only one way to find out. Nope, it's not, but it might be the next best thing. Follow your heart. Vegan company. They make veganese, cheeses, sauces, all kinds of stuff. Oh, and they also make yogurt. This, I'm assuming, is all of their newest vegan yogurt. I tried this when it was a little prototype last year with Cesar at one of the expos. Before they had actual containers for them, they just had big buckets of different flavors. So, and also in the middle we have Michelle's Original Granola. This stuff is super good too. So I'm thinking some yogurt. Oh, and some of these spoons. We have Follow Your Heart, pin, all the swag, right? And then some postcards. Follow your heart. Let's see what we have here. We have raspberry yogurt. Let's move the shoe. We got raspberry, strawberry rhubarb, peach, cherry, vanilla bean. I think that was my favorite one. I don't remember. Strawberry. Did I ever say? Oh, I said strawberry rhubarb. Strawberry, key lime, plain, if you guys are just boring, there's a plain one. Pina colada, if you're caught in the rain. And then blueberry. It's gonna tip over, isn't it? So that's what we have in this little pinwheel of goodness from Follow Your Heart. But these gotta go in the refrigerator, so let's just put these down for the next package so they don't fall over. It says on the back, it says, recycle me, keep it sustainable. And we are on to our last package. Last package, this is the biggest one here. If you guys have something you want to send, the address is below, just make sure it's vegan. We got some styrofoam, but if you remember, if you saw John's video that we just did, John has a styrofoam recycle place right by his house, so that means it's also not that far from my house. First off, we have a letter. It says Chris. Abe's the Vegan Muffin. No milk, no eggs, no soy, no nuts. They're excited that I'm going to give these a try. They're huge fans of the Vegan Zombie YouTube channel. Thank you guys. That's awesome. Please find all of our Abe's flavored muffins inside, as well as our scrumptious pound cakes and cornbread. We're in the process of switching 90% of our packaging over to cardboard instead of plastic, which we are super stoked about. For instance, our new cornbread box uses 84% less plastic than the old packaging. We also have our new individually wrapped muffins for on-the-go snacking. Looking forward to hearing from you, Katie. These are school friendly. I know I would have liked these when I was in school. It says, the vegan category in the United States of America has soared over 600%. 2018, there were 22.7 million vegans versus 2014, there was only 3.1 million vegans. We're growing exponentially. I knew this would happen. It's only going to get bigger. I like that it's a vegan company. It says vegan right on it. Let's look at the goods. What do we have here? They hooked me up. Lemon Poppy, school friendly. Lemon Poppy muffins. You see that? Little tiny muffins. You could take a couple of these with you to school and snack on them if you're in school. If you're not in school like me, you're probably just going to snack on them wherever. Wild Blueberry Smash. Now that looks good. Put a little bit of Miyoko's butter on that. Warm it up for a nice breakfasty breakfast. Golden Cornbread. Ah, try some of that with some chili. Golden cornbread. Getting hungry already. And what? Ooh, Devil's Food. Oh, chocolatey, chocolate bites of vegan scrumptiousness. They're all nice and cold. There must be some dry ice at the bottom of that box here. Chocolate chip. See, it's all frosting over here. Chocolate chip. I love it. It says the Vegan Muffin right on the front. Why don't every company should do that? Every company. Apple cider. Apple cider. We're not done yet. We still got a lot more. These are bigger muffins. These are bigger chocolate chip muffins. Either way, they probably taste the same. The big ones probably taste the same as the smaller ones. They're just more convenient, right? Maybe they're better when they're smaller. I don't know. They're probably the same. And then we have bigger Wild Blueberry Smash. I like that. Blueberry Smash. It's like the Hulk. Blueberry Pounds. The little blueberry pound cake. Individually wrapped. I like the packaging. Coffee cake. Coffee cake. Is there any coffee in this? I'd have to find out. No milk, no nuts, no eggs, no soy. They're soy free, guys. And there's no coffee in it. Abe's Ultimate Lemon. Ultimate Lemon. If I remember correctly, there's probably the story right in here. Abe is a little boy that was allergic to a lot of things and couldn't have a lot of things because there was allergens in him. So his father and his uncle created this brand where they could make all these vegan products that were allergy free. Okay, here's the story. Ready? You guys want to hear it? There's still more in here, by the way. I'm going to get to that. But here's the story. Several years ago, my brother and I created vegan, nut-free muffins for his youngest son, Abe. Abe is allergic to peanuts, tree nuts, sesame, dairy, and eggs. Since then, we've been introducing retailers and families around the country to the vegan category in bakery. We are the first and only nationally branded vegan muffin. I think more companies should embrace the vegan label. Abe's only true competition is from moms and dads who bake treats for their kids. They are thrilled to find a retailer that carries a breakfast muffin and snack that is safe for their kids to love. Marty, Abe's uncle. Oh, I met Abe's uncle.
I am Abe's uncle.
Back to the goodness. Lemon Poppy. Lemon poppy. Original pound cake. We have the original. Nice and frozen. That dry ice really froze it. I'm gonna have to have a party because I can't eat all this by myself. Chocolate chip. Look at that one. Bam. We're gonna have to do another taste test. I'll bring these over for the family to taste test. What do you guys think? We'll have some nugs and some muffins. And then Abe's cornbread. Look at that. An entire box of cornbread. School friendly. School friendly because these days when you go to school, I guess you got to be very careful of what you bring because of the allergens. That was like non-existent when I went to school. Nobody really cared about us. Cranberry orange zest. More of the minis. Mini minis. Golden corn. And now, sure it's a little bit wet from that dry ice. Abe's the vegan muffin. Bam. There you go. Abe's. This is a very cold shirt. It feels good because it's hot out. It's a nice cold shirt. I think I might do that. Maybe I should sell cold shirts. You know, I wanted to make a cold pillow because certain nights I wanted a cold anyway. And we got a hat with it. And it says move free on the back. Thank you guys over at Abe's. Now you guys know about Abe's and the link will be below if you guys are interested in Abe's. If you see them in the store, pick them up, try them out. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these things and what you think about them. And don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I will see you guys soon.